Hey, are you tired of spending your weekends scrubbing tanks and stressing over your fish? Trust me, I've been there. What if I told you fish keeping doesn't have to be a chore? Today I'm breaking down the top 3 low-maintenance fish tanks you'll wish you set up sooner. Whether you're just starting out or you want a beautiful aquarium that practically runs itself, I've got you covered. So stick with me. At the end, I'll even give you a few pro tips that'll make any tank a breeze. And hey, if you're into no-nonsense, realistic fish keeping advice, hit that like button and subscribe. Join our awesome community of fish lovers. Let's get real for a second. Most beginners pick the wrong tank. They go too small, too complicated, or just not the right fit for their lives. That's why they end up frustrated and give up way too soon. But here's the secret. The right setup makes all the difference. So let's check out 3 tanks that are easy, low maintenance, and still look amazing in your home or office. First up, nano tanks with built-in filtration. These little guys, anywhere from 5 to 10 gallons, are perfect for small spaces and beginners. Most come with built-in filters and lights, and some even have heaters. All you gotta do? Change about 20% of the water once a week, wipe down the glass, and you're done. That built-in filter keeps things crystal clear with barely any effort. My tip? Toss in some live plants like Anubias or Java fern. They'll help keep the water clean and make your tank pop. Next, if you want something bigger but still simple, try a 20-gallon community tank with a sponge filter. More water means fewer problems. The pH, the temperature, and the waste all balance out better. Sponge filters are cheap, dead simple, and all they need is a basic air pump. No fiddly parts, just solid biological filtration. Go for hardy fish, platies, zebradanios, corridoras. They're tough, peaceful, and they don't overload the system. Number 3, if you want a slice of nature, get yourself a low-tech planted tank. With the right mix of plants, substrate, and light, you'll build a little self-sustaining ecosystem. Plants eat up fish waste, pump out oxygen, and even beat back algae. Once it's balanced, maintenance is almost nothing. Top off water now and then, trim a few leaves, and enjoy. Slow-growing plants and a few nearite snails or a mono shrimp will keep things looking sharp. Now a few bonus tips just for you. Don't overfeed. Seriously, leftover food is the root of most tank problems. Test your water about once a month. Catch problems before they start. And keep a simple routine. Small, regular care is way easier than big, stressful cleanups. So there you have it. 3 easy tanks that'll let you enjoy your fish without the headaches. Tell me in the comments, which one fits your style? If this helped you out, give it a like, hit subscribe, and welcome to the family, where fish keeping is simple, fun, and totally worth it. Thanks for hanging out, and I'll catch you in the next one.